Hello, my name is Karen Davis, and I want to welcome you to the Lincoln University Urban Farm Tour. I'd like to take this opportunity first to thank all of our farms for their participation in today's event. Also, I would like to thank the Missouri Department of Agriculture for their generous contribution on making this tour possible as one of our sponsors. A special thanks to Chef Calvin, who prepared our scrumptious lunch that you will all be enjoying today. So be sure and sit back, enjoy the tour, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions that you have, and enjoy these video vignettes.
My name is Whitney Sewell, and I'm the Global Farms Coordinator at the International Institute of St. Louis. The International Institute farming program actually started 3 years ago with a community garden for our refugees. The International Institute is a resettlement agency for refugees and immigrants, and providing that garden provided the refugees a source of food for their families in a way that they're accustomed to getting that food, and that is growing it. So out of a successful community garden came the need for a farm. These people are farmers and they wanted a farm, and so we got them a farm. And the International Institute is providing a job training program for the farmers to get their own farms individually. What's unique about the International Institute Global Farms is that it is run by refugee farmers. Consequently, the farm employs a lot of different methods from around the world, and this is using innovative combinations of different crops that keep the pests at bay. It also increases our production, and it looks a little bit different than regular urban farms might look. The farming methods we use at the International Institute Global Farms are all organic and integrative. We try to abide by permaculture standards, which are permanent agriculture and sustainable standards for producing food. This is no pesticides. We use companion planting, which is a combination of using different plants to help each other to grow and to amend the soil with only compost. We also have brought in soil because the site is on a formerly used as a housing site, so the soil isn't the most nutrient dense, but we brought the soil in. It's mostly compost, 50-50 soil and compost, and a healthy soil is a healthy farm. There's a large cultural exchange at the Global Farms because our 14 farmers are from around the world. This is Bhutan, Nepal, Somalia, Burundi, Ethiopia, lots of places, and they don't all speak English, so we work pretty hard to communicate with each other. It's very interesting to not only learn the words, but to also learn that what I think is a weed, they think is food. And I'm teaching them to become farmers in America, but at the same time, they're teaching me to become a better farmer in the St. Louis region. So one of the songs that the Bhutanese guys have made for me is about vegetable names. The song doesn't really have a name, but the words are eggplant, beans, potatoes, and cauliflower. It goes, Baigun, Bodhi, Aloo, Gobi, Whitney, Whitney, Whitney. I'm the Whitney.